Concerned over the rapid spread of the conjunctivitis disease among the residents of Meghalaya, especially in Bhoi district, on Monday, leaders of the Sinjuk Ki Rangbashnong met the Deputy Commissioner of the district, Arpit Upadhyaya, seeking his immediate intervention by the Health and Family Welfare Department to come up with practical and medically driven solutions to curb the disease. Led by the chairman B.B. Makdo, the Headmen Union expressed shock after learning of the measures taken by the state government, wherein instead of suggesting medical interventions, it is advising people to wear goggles or sunshades to prevent spread of the contagious disease.
Lawan itu man yo DC alor artli gemat man kong golong jing dei bat kene ka jing spread jong kene ka jing pangkamat conjunctivitis aborok koi ka Bhoi district jongi teke ke bang sosi ban yetu ya padba bro mana kaliang jong ka government ka clemson kya jing dei kene jing pang kamsin interest ni ba ka sarlot kene jing pang na du na skol adu kiblahe ka bar susu golong ba kumaong menteri menen ha president ngi ba dan kamban dengya ki sunglasses ten rain nang nong inyo gitu sunglasses kan jing kerpat ke jungi government balada kamla wan supply ki dawai tu sup pendiang tang ki sunglasses